talking about bending of sheet or plate. So how can this is a flat sheet, and how can these flat sheets are bended, and what happen in this sheet we draw here and discuss today. So friends, this is a flat sheet, and after bend of vending machine, these portions like this flat plate or sheet bended like this. So this is the outer portion, and this outer portion is stretched out, that means in tension, and this is the inner, this is in compression. So this is a fiber inner having their compression, and outer inner having their tension. So if you go in deep terminology, so this portion is known as bend length L, and this is a neutral. From these lines there is no any more stretching in this plate, and from this line there is no more stretching in this plate. So this is more stretching here, okay, like compression in inner section and outer section having their tension. So this portion here to here, this line to this line is known as LB, bend allowance. This neutral line to this neutral lines is distance is known as bend allowance, okay, and angle alpha is known as bend angle. Alpha is bend angle, and this distance center to this distance is known as bend radius, and this is a plate thickness. Okay friends, this line having also their neutral axis in this section. This is a neutral axis, okay, and this total length is known as flange length, and this is also total length flange length. Friends, this is a neutral line from this to this. So friends, this here, this is known as outside setback, outside setback, and this also known as outside setback. So this is all about this, friends. This is another drawing topics. You see this total length given, and this is a neutral axis, and this neutral axis having distance 160, but total length having 200. Here also total length having 153.6, but neutral axis having there 113.6 mm, and this angle bend angle alpha equals to 90 degree, radius having earth having 30 mm. Okay, so friends, bend allowance LB, keep in mind this formula: alpha bend angle in simple bracket R, bend radius R, plus KT, okay, KT, T is the thickness, okay, sheet thickness or plate thickness, and K is the what? K is the constant, and what K values taken, you see here. Friends, K is a constant. Bend allowance, what is bend allowance? This neutral line to this neutral line, this distance is known as bend allowance. You see in this picture, here to here, this is a bend allowance LB. So K, for ideal case, if neutral axis is in center, if this neutral axis in center, this plate center, then K value taken as 0.5. But in practice, if this radius R, bend radius R, is less than 2t, T is the thickness, then K is taken as 0.33, and if R is greater than 2t, then K equals to 0.5 taken. Okay, so friends, LB alpha is in degree, but here we take in radian. Alpha pi by 180, this will be converted in radian, R plus KT. So if you find out unbended total length, this is a sheet, and if you find out total length, then LB plus X plus Y. What is X and Y? Distance between neutral axis to here, this is the X, and neutral axis is top, this is a Y. So this distance is not taken, you consider in mind. Only this distance is taken and add in this bend allowance. Okay, so LB total length equals to LB plus X plus Y if you bend in this plate, and unbended sheet length equals to this. So keep in mind, and we try to some practical on this topic.